Welcome to the in-office training of Eatance. Today we'll learn how to add a recipe via the admin panel. So let's begin. Sign in using the master admin credentials. Once signed in, we arrive on the home page with the dashboard in the center and the navigation panel to the left. Go to the navigation panel and from the drop-down listing, go to Recipes. Click on it. This brings up the recipe management page. As you can see, there is a list of already added recipes. To add a new recipe, click on the Add button. Here in the Add Recipe page, we will enter details of the new recipe. Enter the name. Enter details of this recipe. In the banner image, add the image of this recipe. Click on the Upload image and select the image from where you have stored it. Note to keep the image in this format. Next, in the Ingredients section, enter the ingredients for this recipe. You have an option to select it from source or copy-paste it, or you may also type it manually. Similarly, we can add in the details of the recipe. Enter the average meal preparation time. From the food type, select to which type this will belong to. Once you have entered all the details for this recipe, click on Submit. As you can see, our new recipe has been created and it shows up on top of the list. By creating recipes of unique dishes or popular items, you can engage your customers on platform, allowing you to inspire brand value and loyalty. This will also help restaurant owners to advertise their popular dishes for increasing revenue.